All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Ford Transit. It is the T-250 mid-roof long wheelbase with only 13,000 miles. That's right, folks, 13,000 miles on this vehicle. Beautiful white with gray vinyl interior, AM/FM stereo system, backup camera. It's got power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors. Go real quick, your bumper looks pretty darn good. Your front hood, it's got some little scuffing there. That's no big deal. Your hood looks good. Your fascia looks good. Your front fender here looks pretty good. Does have a heavy scratch here, about 2 to 3 inches. Got a little dent here, some paint off, about 5 inches right here. And in front of it, there's another dent, 5 inches on the door itself. All right, looks like the door had clinched up, and my guys moved it so that it can swing freely. You got your front driver's steel wheel. I actually forgot my measurement. Let me go get it. All right, and we're back. Wow, over 13-30 seconds here. This door looks good. This panel here does have a little ding there. A heavy scratch here, about 5 inches. Another one here, about 2 inches. That's about it. Another one here, about 2, about 3. Some scuffing here, very light. Other than that, the rest of it looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's side steel wheel, and your tire thread back here is at 530 seconds. You got power windows, power door locks. It's your power front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. You guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. It does come with 1 key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM/FM stereo system. Got your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera. Boom. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and your mileage of 13,038 miles. Looks good. Keeping it moving. Rear bumper looks good. These doors here, they look good. Got a heavy scratch here, about 3. It's about 5 inches. A little dent here, less than 1 inch. Other than that, we look pretty good. These doors do swing out all the way. This is what it looks like back here. Very nice. All right, looks clean in here. The wheel wells look pretty good. Do have a couple little dings on top of it here and there, but that's about it. Let's check out this door. This one looks pretty good. Paneling looks good. This one, like the previous couple of ones, they seem the same thing. I believe they're putting too much weight and jamming the door closed, and that's making a dent and ripping that apart. Okay. Here, this one looks good. Got a couple little things here. Like I said, likewise, it's got to be the same thing. Forcing the door closed. Let me go up here on the ladder and check it out. This quarter here looks good. Up top looks good. Let's see what this is all about. All right. Wow. The roof looks good on this car. Looks good all the way around. Very nice. Yeah, very nice. It's good. All right. This looks good. Does seem to have a dent right there, following like a little line. All right. Now we look pretty good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Tire thread here is just over the line of 430 seconds. Got a little dent here, paint off, another one there, little like scratches. Here we got a bunch of little things. They look like all from the inside out. The door's locked here. All right. That's what your side panel looks like. Very nice. So your side cargo area looks like. Good. Looks good. All right. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Your front looks good. This fender looks good. Here's your front passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread here is over 13-30 seconds. Lights are working. Car is on. folks, once again, this is a 2018 Ford Transit T250 mid-roof long wheelbase with 13,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.